Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to enter edit mode in Township. In order to enter edit mode in Township, first of all, open up the Township game on your device and wait for the game to fully load. Once you are done, from the main home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button in blue at the top right corner and click on the edit button in the middle, which looks like 4 arrows merged together. Now you will enter the edit mode. You can now move, rotate, or store buildings, roads, and decorations. Simply go ahead and redesign your city by entering the edit mode. Tap on any object and then drag it to a new location or place it in storage according to your preference. You can go ahead and edit landscape, roads, pavements, buildings, etc. once you're inside the edit mode. If you want to get out of your edit mode or exit the edit mode, simply tap on the loop arrow kind of an icon at the bottom right in blue and you will then be able to exit the edit mode. Now you can customize your town however you like. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.